Introduced in 2011, the Hyundai Veloster replaced the Tiburon, known as the Coupe in other markets, in the United States. Essentially a hybrid between a hatchback and a coupe, the Veloster is available in a 3-door configuration only and uses small-displacement 4-cylinder engines exclusively. Offered in base and turbo trim, the Veloster gained an N version with its second-generation redesign. The higher performance variant crafted by the still new N division will be the first beefed-up Hyundai to cross the pond to the US. Previewed by a series of concept cars with mid-engined configurations, the high-performance Veloster debuted alongside the standard hatchback at the 2018 Detroit Auto Show. Both boast sportier styling, new technology, and improved engines, but the N model also sports a number of aggressive aerodynamic updates, exclusive features inside the cabin, and turbocharged engine powerful enough to give the Volkswagen Golf GTI and Ford Focus ST a run for their money. Based on the latest Veloster, the N showcases all the new features introduced for the latest generation. Much like all recently revised Hyundai's, the Veloster sports a more angular, more aggressive design front and rear. The front fascia boasts a massive grille flanked by sharp headlamps above and triangular air vents below. The profile retains the asymmetrical, 3-door configuration and it's still very similar to the outgoing model. But the new wheels and the revised side skirts and glass house make it seem fresh. The rear end is more aggressive too thanks to its large, angular headlamps with 3-piece LED lights and tall bumper with fake vents. Needless to say, the Veloster Turbo is already an aggressive little hatchback, but the N version takes things up a notch. Up front the Veloster N gets a gloss black grille mesh with the N logo and a black wing at the bottom. The side wings that run from the grille to the corners of the bumper are finished in red for a contrasting touch. The splitter is sharper, while the vents are larger of enhanced brake cooling. The side skirts are more aggressive too, featuring small winglets to the rear and red accent stripes. The 18-inch wheels have an exclusive design, but you can opt for the available 19-inch rollers with a machine finish, dual-spoke star design.